What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apai Genie Smart Personal Robot Cameraman. But before we get started, if you guys could knock out all of that cool YouTube stuff, I really appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So without further ado, let's kind of get into it. This is a 360-degree rotation, auto face, and object tracking, live broadcast, streaming, smart shooting, phone mount. That's a mouthful. Say that 3 times. You can get this on Amazon's website for $27. I'll leave the link in the description. And let's check it out. You know, kind of see what you're working with. For vlogging, for portrait switch, has a beauty filter, tripod compatible. Some of the little specs: 360-degree rotation, object tracking, facial tracking, and smart shooting. Capture the fun. All right, capture the fun. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what you get. Seen these things on YouTube and Facebook and all that other stuff. I think Instagram has one. And, you know, it looks pretty cool. 27 bucks. Can't really go wrong there. There you go. So you do need batteries. Insert 3 AA batteries. Got your mobile phone, horizontal, vertical switching, power on for use, downloading the app. And there you go. Those are the instructions. And let's see. I don't want to rip it open, but beast mode it. Okay. You know, it's pretty simple. Looks pretty simple. You know, phone goes there. Okay, so you can hold a pretty big phone. Here's the attachment portion. Right here, the gimbal, kind of gimbal action right there. This is where it says it's tripod compatible right here. So you'll never, you know, go wrong with the app on both iOS and Android, which is pretty cool. I do like that. Go ahead and open the bottom. This is where the batteries will go. And yeah. You know, pretty straightforward. Power button right here. You know, and yeah. Looks very interesting. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to work. I will do a little follow-up review on this particular product. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns before then, go ahead and leave them on this channel. If there's something that you want me to try, I'll kind of go through everything with it after I sit with it for a few days, and get back to you guys with my honest opinion. So again, don't want to keep you guys here too long. You guys take care of each other. Peace.